Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to get your first order by using tricks. These tricks literally work. Now let's get started. A lot of clients will contact you. When clients contact you, now it's your responsibility to show your interest, so they will give you a job. We will bring a simple change if you have already created Fiverr profile. With this trick, we see how it's effect. Now, here's the search bar. Let's search logo design. You can search according to your skills. Now, when you're done with this, here, you can see some sections, and see seller details. This is very important thing. You see seller level, and seller speaks as written. When you click on it, you see different languages appear. In English, there are 1 million sellers, French, German etc. all language were available there. There are different types of languages that represent the countries. Obviously, the German represent the Germany. The Spanish represent the Mexico, Spain. And Italian represent the Italy. Like this, you have to target buyers of these countries. Now, you have to open your Fiverr profile. After clicking the profile, you see the language options on left-hand side. You may have selected English or Urdu. After English, I suggest you select 3 other languages in which countries people use Fiverr a lot. You have to select basic language. So the customer of this country have in their mind that the seller is not fluent. When someone in seller details, select their language, customer select this type of language, because they can't speak English well. They want a seller in their language, that can understand them, and do their work quickly. As I select German, and apply it. Now, you can see, all these sellers are German speaking. If a next person is German speaking, so they will hire and message you. They will speak German with you, because you had written the German language on your Fiverr profile. Use Google Translator website, if a buyer texts you in German. Here, I see some Pakistani too, in German language. Those know this trick and gain orders. The advantage is that, your gig reach increases. With this simple trick you could increases the reach of customer and gain orders. I hope, you'll learn very well. Use this trick and earn more. Thanks for watching.